Hello. What if you want to put one piece of data behind another? You want to combine, for instance, multiple sheets together. And next, what if you don't know which piece of data, which row refers to which group, and you want to also add text. So you want to combine all these chunks and also to add some text group, text name for each chunk of data. Now, how would you do it? What techniques would you use? One of it is using query, but in this video I will show you another option. And let's see what I mean. I suggest you to use sequence for that. So I go ahead and create sequence of 5 numbers or any number of items you want. It's maybe 6, 7, 10, so forth. And all this is truth because Sheets Engine, it tries to convert numbers to Boolean when it comes into logical formulas, and each number except of 0 gives us truth. Even -1 is also truth. So, and if we know that, we can use it in if formula, and if this it always truth, then do us and create some text. Next, now you see it doesn't work, it doesn't produce multiple text outputs. So I can easily convert it to array formula. Or even make this formula shorter to use index, which will work just the same as array formula. So now we have this indexed if sequence 5 or 10 or some number and produces text. So we can produce like multiple items of this text, multiple instances, and you can control how much you want. So this number will tell you how much number of this text you want. So that's it. And let's go next and combine multiple sheets data and also add groups for each one. Let's look at this data I prepared for you. Ben has 2 rows, Max has 4 rows, and 10 has 3 rows. And I want to combine all that together. I will use curly brackets and produce a formula to combine all this data. I don't mind this error because I didn't use this. I don't know why it produces it. And next on Max, next on 10. Now I have all the data, but I don't know for sure if this from Max or this from 10 or this from Ben. Now I see this visually on the screen because I've put spatial data. Next, I'll add text for each group. I'll use this if sequence of, I have 2 rows in Ben, then I want text Ben, and hit comma to put all this together. This will go together with this. And I also copy it over. Now I've done it. You see sequence 2 in Ben because it has 2 rows. Sequence. I continue and do it like 4 for Max. And 3 for Ben. Oh, sorry, for 10. When I hit enter, I think, oh, it's reverse. Why that? Because all these sequences are not an array formula, and I want to convert it into an array formula, like that, with Ctrl-Shift-Enter, which will add this array formula. Oh, and now it works. I see Ben for Ben, Max for Max, and 10 for 10. And that's it. One final note. My formula became quite big, and there is a spatial shortcut, Control and Enter, to add new line inside your formula. And let's try it out. And let's do all from new line. I'll make a bigger screen for formulas, and after that I want a new line after if, because it starts my sequence, and now my formula becomes much more readable. Because next I want to add this like a dynamic way, because I want to add dynamic number of rows here, here and here, and maybe use some offset or some other technique or filters, top words, just to make this band max and then appear like a dynamic number of rows. For instance, what if I add new row here in band? I want to appear, this row I want to appear in my report, and so forth, and so many other fun things to do here. But we'll cover it next.